Hello guys, welcome back to Woolen's Crafts. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful woolen flower with just two colors of wool and two fingers. Now wrap around the yellow wool 8 times around your two fingers. Pick up the pink one and wrap around about 20 times. Wrap smoothly, just the way you see me doing it. At this point, use the 2 strands of wool at the middle and tie firmly to secure the 2 colors. After that, pull it out from your fingers and continue tying. The purpose of this one is to secure the 2 colors together. Okay, then cut off the excess wools. Now pick a needle and yellow wool to secure the yellow parts. Sew firmly so that it does not unravel. For the pink side, just watch closely and see how I made a design by trimming that end and giving it a curvy shape. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. When you are done with this, make it 5 pieces and join them together. At this point, use a needle and attach a pearl or bead at the middle of the flower. The purpose of this one is to make the flower beautiful and seamless. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I see you all in my next one. Bye!